Good morning. Today is the day that we are going to try and attempt to fly the Blue Tarp Special back to Plant City. And it's easily the most dangerous flight I have ever taken. I've flown some other airplanes that have set for a while and things like that, but they haven't been apart like this one. So it's, not gonna lie, I'm actually unbelievably nervous about this flight. Hey Mike, everybody remembers him. This is the same airplane that we got in trouble, well, he got in trouble with the FAA on, or at least got a tattletale on him. And we were doing some charity runs after the hurricane. So Mike, thank you for that. You are the reason that I even got into that stuff. So thanks so much. And he is now an ATP, you know, not gonna say anything, but he's moving up in the world. Made it to Bessemer. Now, I have to go get the Blue Tarp Special pre-flighted. It's fine. Well, there she is, boys. I got her tucked away in with the nice stuff. Hey, maybe we can find one of those abandoned somewhere. That one in the back looks like it needs some love. Okay, here we go. Really super good pre-flight and then full send, baby. I'm wearing the Lycoming shirt for all the good mojo because those are Lycoming engines, so we're summoning all of Lycoming's good favor here to make sure this thing does what it needs to do the way it's supposed to do. But I'm not worried, okay? Jeez. I am not going to show you every tiny little detail of the pre-flight on this because then this video would be like 3 hours long. Don't try this at home, boys and girls. Flaps right here. Stop. To stop. Good, and it's nice and free. Checking hardware. Fuel is coming up. That's good. Good. We got nav lights right here. Oh, I see a red on that airplane over there. Should be green. Controls. Yep, it goes up on that side and it's down on this side. And when I turn it, it goes up on this side. When I pull back, that goes up. Good. It goes down like it's supposed to. Fantastic. Checking to make sure it didn't bang anything. Nice and tight. Okay. And this is what happens when you don't put all the screws in that. You end up with that. Now we did look, and yes, some of it did rub on the prop on the back a little bit. You can't really see it. It's just little rub marks where they went flying. And I think we got a little nick on it. We haven't even wiped it down since this happened. So according to the 3 different old timers, IAs, and Lycoming, and Hartzell, and everybody else, we did not get a prop strike, praise the Lord. But we did make sure to put every one of these screws in. And this one, the old one, was fiberglass, obviously. This one, metal. Metal. Now crazy, this one was metal. They had one fiberglass, one metal one, and one fiberglass. So I don't know how that ever happened, but there you go. So all the stuff worked. So today, yeah, here we go. That's their tires. Air. Yep, air. Sweet. I'm not flying at the moment because we just found this. If I can get my hand in there. Where's that? Yeah, that's the counterweight attached to the aileron, and that's slightly kind of massively important. And loose bolt here, and then there's, if you can't see it, there's a bolt that's supposed to go right there. So we just need a piece of hardware, some bolts, and then that should be good to go. But whoo, we found our thing for the flight. Now I feel okay. Oh, good Lord. I think we spent 2 hours to get 4 little tiny bolts in, but we got them. So that part of the wing won't fall off. Now it's now or never. I'm right with Jesus. Hopefully we're not going to see him anytime soon. We're going to fly directly over the airport for, you know, for like 30 minutes or so. And if everything goes good, then we are going to head south. Bessemer, you guys have rocked it out. Thank you so much for all of your help. Getting ready to take off. I will be circling the Bessemer Airport for 30 minutes, and if all goes well, heading south. Period. Love you. See you soon. All right. And we're starting that engine first. Okay, fuel pumps are on. Fuel pressure is good. Coming up, we'll get 1, 2, 3 right there. And everybody's favorite, can I get a clear prop?
It is really quiet. I can barely hear anything from that radio, so we might end up using this thing right here. Here we go. Brakes are on. Okay, we got oil temperature, we got oil pressure, we got fuel pressure. Our fuel is there, flaps. We got charging, manifolds, everything lined up together. Everything's looking good. And my leg is shaking quite a bit right here. I'm sure that's... Alright. Okay, here we go. Oh, these girls want to go. Alright, here we go. Air's full power. We got airspeed is alive. Rudder is going. Engines are in the green. There's 80. Oh yeah, it's hot today. 90. And we're up. Better rotate. And we'll bring our gear up. We are definitely out of runway. Just tighten that up a little bit. Our EGPs are very low, which is good. Our cylinder temperatures are looking good. We're currently approaching 3,000 feet. Oil temp, oil pressure, fuel pressures are good. Our manifolds are exactly aligned. We're at 24 even. I mean, this thing is running really good. And we are currently at 4,000 feet. Okay, there is 30 minutes of flying. We climbed, everything is still looking good. Bessemer traffic 84853 Papa departing the area to the south. Bessemer, I have no idea if they heard me. Alright, well, I'm actually going to switch to this thing because I can hear something. I can't hear anything on this. Bessemer traffic 4853 Papa departed the area. Bessemer. Alright, maybe that was the problem. I had the thing switched.
Uniform 8 miles north, 3,500 descending 1,800, southbound 90 runway 36 over.
And I know that there was water in that tank, so I'm going to
uniform 5 miles north,
switch tanks on that engine. Oh yeah, that's something happening. I'm not liking that. Okay, both pumps are on. Gonna switch this tank as well.
Auburn traffic, Skyhawk 856
Our fuel pressure, all that stuff is good.
1,800, runway 36, Auburn.
We've got an airport right off of that side if we have to land. I'm hoping it was just a little bit of water.
Auburn traffic, 858 Victor Kilo. 62 X-ray.
Alright, so we're getting low on fuel. I'm going to try to change tanks again, and if it starts stuttering and putting out, then I'm going to land here across city and get some fuel in those tanks. I've got water right there and land right there. Well, we're over land, but the water's over there, but there's all the clouds are on the land now, and they're at the same altitude, which really sucks. So now I'm trying to kind of go like this through all the clouds. And I don't want to fly over water in case something happens. I think we might make it, boys and girls. Oh yeah, and I want to tell you, go to SaveThe310.com, buy a Jimmy's World t-shirt, and wear it to Oshkosh, because I'm going to be wandering around, and I'm going to be looking for a very special, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, you know, wear your shirt proud, and if I see you, I'm going to stop and ask you some questions, interview you. We're going to be giving away a few things, so I'll be looking forward to it. Get your shirt, save the310.com, even though we're actually saving an Aztec right now, but you know, save the310.com, and I will see you in Oshkosh really, really soon. Well, let's start our descent. Go ahead and nose this thing down. Alright, coming down, coming down. I have to get below 6,000 feet in order to be under the Bravo airspace. And I am like right on the line right now. Alright, we are 21 miles to the north. And I'm gonna go ahead and level us out. Oh, that's good. I see smoke and it's coming straight up, which tells me there's not much in the way of wind. But that also sucks because it's really stinking hot and it's just going to be doing this the whole way down. And I think I see the water tower at Plant City right there. You know what I just realized is my car is not at Plant City. We departed from Tampa Exec, so I got to find a ride over there to go get my car.
Plant City traffic, 4853 Papa, 7 to the north inbound for runway 10 left traffic, Plant City.
Traffic 10 left base runway.
I could barely hear myself.
Plant City traffic, 4853 Papa is joining left 45 at downwind for runway 10, Plant City.
I heard nothing.
Plant City Unicom radio check.
And gears coming down. Give ourselves plenty of time. 1, 2, 3, boom.
Plant City traffic, 4853 Papa, turning left base, runway 10, Plant City.
Our traffic, Cessna 706 Quebec is currently...
Okay, gears are down and locked.
Downwind.
Mixtures and props are up. Boost pumps are on. Alright, 3 green. Got those wheels. We got brakes. Runway is there, looking a little bit high. And the rest of those flaps, good. Oh, that's a beautiful sight. And ready for the bump bump. And we are way too fast.
Plant City traffic 912 Juliet, turn in left base, runway 10, Plant City.
Okay. Wait for it.
Plant City traffic, Blue Tarp Special, 4853 Papa, clear of runway 10, Plant City.
Oh, sweating. Just good Lord. That, by the way, that was kind of stressful. I don't know if I just made it look good or what, but yeah, that was stressful as crap. Oh my goodness, I'm getting the biggest Mountain Dew they sell at a store. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna look forward to seeing you guys at Oshkosh. This video might even come out like right as Oshkosh is getting started, so I'll see you there.